Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Let's go.
Hi guys.
Let's go na! Hi guys. So, mag-practice na mi og radio broadcasting. Oh, asa tang mic mo? Iya, ano na dala? I-off yung noise cancel para madunggan sila. Say hi!
Hello.
Ayan guys,
Hi ganito. Say hi.
Ayan. Oo, ay kay Nicole. Guys, ito ang videographer guys kay si Nicole. Say hi, Nicole.
Hello. Ay hi.
Ayan. Ayan guys. We are so ula right now. Aray! Uy ma, kinaan ka sa vlog. Dahil ang masasabi mo. Ilan yung subscribers? 2 million.
Hi sa iyong subscribers. I know mag-subscribe. I-unsubscribe na siya.
Uy, go! Yan, let's...
Mag-imo na nagkatagat. Ay, malay no.
Oo!
Kaya hindi ko kaya na may Arman.
Uy, kayo ang gumay na to diha.
So, ano?
Okay.
Ate Miko's house.
Go to the beach.
What if pinunta na dyan yung pag-vlog Miko?
Pinod ba na akong vlog? So, manafik? Say hi to Clea Fel. Hi! So guys, we're here at the campus. So among campus guys, yeah, campus tour. So this is that is our what do you call it? Canteen. Canteen in Nida. So magsalita ka dyan, parang OA. Ano mo na lang?
Ito.
Yeah, ito. Yan. So guys, ang akong vlog is for Bisaya. Wala tayo ka ng subtitle kay Kapoy o Kuan. Editorial. Ayan na si Kuya guys. Say hi Kuya sa vlog. Hi. Guys, hinahabol ako ni Kuya guys. Guys, Kuan, emotional abuse. Bye! So guys, after all,
Hello.
furthermore,
Hello.
Say hi ka dyan.
Say hi.
Say hi. Siya ang photographer for today's video. Ay. Si Cyrus na guys. Hi, hello, what's your name?
I'm Cyrus Carl
Okay, sige, bye! Diyos ko, Lord.
Sandoval.
Hi, Kabin. Hi guys, say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
They are so not giving. Sa akong vlog, bakit? Hi.
Goodbye.
Bye guys. So ayan. So our next subject would be entrepreneur. Entrep. So, yes, Aval.
Miko.
I am so great. Wait lang, let's balik it to the...
Miko, amoy ito.
Guys, kailangan kasi nagbutasan guys. Kaya ginagara-garaan nila akong mic. Mga OA silang lahat. Ay, kaya ano na to? Kay photographer na to. Anit lang.
Photographer.
Kung sa madam. Padali lang madam. An ko nila karon sa amang Yasaval. Ay, sorry.
Grabe, wala ka na nagsika.
We are now here in the... sige nga ano guys? Arba.
Ano, Raymond.
Raymond.
Napay
We are
tao.
here in Raymond building. Because we're out na event na red na Napa sila classy guys. Nami interview ka ron for our Filipino.
Yeah.
But napa sila classy, so let's sit muna sa Red Yasaval. Hi Kina! Ito na ninyo ang campus. So, yes, mag-enroll na.
Sige, go.
Let's go. Can I interview you?
Yeah, of
Yes,
course.
you. Go. Yeah. Is it okay to have a video for you? Are you okay? Okay.
Wow, you're so professional.
I'm so professional. So professional, so ethical. So guys, we're on the bed, jo. So, ano to diri bikin maulaw ko? Diri lang to sa ila sulod, My question. Are you ready?
Wait, can I see?
Oh my god! I think, do you understand Filipino?
No.
Oh my god, I will translate it.
Okay.
Nakaranas. Have you experienced? Do you experience? Oh my god, because my English. We're going to. See, ito my vlog. This is my vlog. This will be posted on YouTube. But I will use the answers for you can understand such language in your community.
Yes. What's
Okay.
my community? Like, what do you mean?
The community is the three pillars of the Korean. See, the community, for example, here in
Yeah?
help me, help a friend. Friend.
No? Maybe.
Ano, lagi nga community.
Ano?
Wait, I'm so igang. Kaya,
Yeah.
Mahiram na, guys. So, hindi po nakakaalam si Mariah po ay aking close friend. Okay, go. Have you experienced in your community that the people talk with different language and you can't understand? What is your opinion about that?
So it
Yeah.
happens a lot. I can't speak Bisaya.
Yeah.
And
Can you louder your voice because I think the mic will
okay, so especially during Filipino class, I don't
Yeah.
understand what's going on. So that's why I'm bugged out.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
You don't have special class?
Oh.
Oh, sige, next.
And so it's really hard and I feel really disappointed sometimes because I can't communicate with my peers the way that I want to.
Okay, thank you so much. For the second question, please. Is there a problem in your community that people is speaking a different language? If it is yes, if yes, how did you give it a solution? And if it is no, and if no, why it's no? Why it's no? It's mo, lawan ito tong vlog. If no, why?
So sometimes my classmates speak to me in Bisaya and I don't understand. And they don't understand what I'm saying either.
Yeah.
So it's kind of a lot of miscommunication.
Yes.
And so I resolved this by trying to speak Bisaya too. And hopefully they can understand.
Oh, that's so great of you, Chare. Anong masasabi mo? This is the third question. Second to the last. Sang-ayon ka ba na maraming weakness na Are you agree that in your communication community there's a lot of languages that they use that they are using. Do you agree that the people using a lot of languages in your community?
Yes, because
Why?
we live in the Philippines, and so there's a lot of languages that are taught here. Where you have Filipino, and then you have your local language, and then you also have English. So there's a variety of languages.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
So this is your last question for the top one. What can you say about the goal of the Filipino language? Using the Filipino language.
I mean, I can't really relate because I don't speak Filipino, but I see the importance of the language within our community. So it's important to me too.
Is that your final question?
Yes.
Final answer.
Final answer.
Okay, thank you so much, Mariah. What can you say about your lunch today, madam? Oh my God. This is our mic. Ito pa mic, the upgraded version. Mukbang. Hi, Joel. Happy birthday. Ay, okay. No paparazzi. Yeah. Hi, guys. Oy, Angelus daw. Angelus. Yes, Angelus. Hi, madam.
Oh my God, Nico!
Napaka-UO talaga. Hi, madam.
Mina.
Uwi mo talaga. Sige, go, sige. Hi, madam.
Hello, Miko.
Sige.
Nakoy kiki ba?
Malakas yung Pilipino, madam. ASMR.
No, not yet.
Not yet done with. Ang sudan niya ko yan, guys, is lumpia. Bye! Bye, madam. Sige, interview ka. Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay, madam?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, madam. Natay mic. Yes, ambos na ito itong mic, mga madam. Wala pa ko alam. Basta, madam.
Oh, Maria naman
Number one. Gani.
May mga tao po. I like, pwede siya. Yes. Ikaw na create, i-fix ha. Like, for example, if may mga dayuhan na mag-add to here sa Philippines, it's a very common na
Okay, next question, madam. Nagka-problema ba sa inyong komunidad dahil sa pag hindi kaunawaan ng wika? Kung oo, paano ito na-resolba? At kung hindi, bakit kaya walang nagka-problema?
Oo, especially here sa school, in our community here, magka-miscommunicate if ang isa ka tao, di siya mo effort to learn, para i-learn tong language isa ka tao, like, di siya mo effort to communicate, kung tarong sa i-learn niya ang language, i-learn niya ang mga traits na dili sa ganahan, mga traits na ganahan siya, dili mo magkasinabot if dili ka magput effort sa iya.
Okay. Third question. Sang-ayon ka ba na maraming wikang sinasalita sa iyong komunidad? Patunayan.
Kato ganing term na, isa na ninyo, or dili? Char-char na?
Dili, madam. Ano na siya? YouTube. YouTube na siya, madam. Vlog, madam.
Magkano ba?
Nag-watch siya. Day na live.
Madili pa sa yung teacher.
Dili na pa siya. Ay, ma.
Kato ganing, katuon sa yung term na kanang, yung diverse yung culture kay like, na ay lahi nga, like you have your own, like na may lahi nga language ba? Diba? Tama man?
Yes, madam.
Kaya mo na. Which the reason sa ayon ko kay mas better man ang community if
Yes, community, madam.
Mas better man ang community if like daghan mo different types of people na nag-collide in yung own language. Like, you know, it's more
Yes, aba.
It's more...
For the last question, madam.
Okay, last.
Anong masasabi mo sa tungkulin ng wikang Pilipinas sa inyong komunidad? Anong masasabi mo sa tungkulin ng wikang Pilipinas sa inyong
Sa
komunidad?
tungkulin.
Goal.
Unsay goal sa wikang Filipino? Ang goal sa wikang Filipino is use it as our main language, especially here sa itong country, and to communicate with others.
Okay, thank you, madam. Thank you so much. Paano na akong mic, madam?
TikTok na naman.
Yeah.
I love it.
Say bye-bye, madam.
So, diri ka magstorya.
Yeah, bye-bye, madam.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Hi.
Sino man yan?
Hi, say hi. Oh!
Sa vlog.
Say hi. 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 Ano ko, mic?
New and improved. Hi, Miko.
So, mag-vlog na ka. Bye! Yes, today wala may nag-mic. Ayan, this is the sound of our kaan. So, igang. Here's sa labas. Wow, sige sila ingon nga mag-vlog ko niya. Di sila magpakita. Pwede dyan na.
Hello. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, ano na to si Bulatag guys. Amo ko na to siya. Hi Bulatag. Dili sa ta Bulatag okay. Sa igang Bulatag. Hi Bulatag. Say hi to the vlog. What is your name? Ano? Where? Say hi to my vlog. Wow, oy! Ayun guys. Please subscribe to my channel.
Okay, I will.
Yes, you will. The boxes is here, but the other
Triangle.
triangle, soft side. Ayan. Let's edit na, guys!